Hey guys, welcome back to Kapi Software Tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to browse on Chrome browser privately. So if you guys you're wondering, sometimes you want to use someone device and you don't want your activity to be seen, you can do that on Google Chrome. So I want to show you guys how to do that. And open a Google Chrome right there, and you can actually see how to browse privately on the browser. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is a normal interface. So to do that, guys, on a right corner there is a three dots. You have to click these three dots like that one, and you can probably see here it's called new incognito window. So guys, Chrome has this new features called incognito, which helps you to browse privately without your activity being seen. So as you can see here, guys, it says now you can browse privately and other people who use the device won't see your activity except download, bookmark and reading. They will be saved. So you will do everything, but when you download or you have bookmarks, those are the ones will be seen, but rather than that, nothing will be seen. So here's how, guys, it's a very simple way to browse, doing everything on this browser with the Google Incognito without being seen, except downloads and the bookmarks. Those are the ones who will be saved, but other than that, nothing will be seen. So this is the best way, guys, to browse on Google Chrome Incognito. See you guys in the next video.